In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on Temu. To get started, open your web browser and go to temu.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your account so you can shop and complete your purchases without any issues. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you've used the site before on a shared device. This helps keep your order details and shipping information accurate. After you're logged in, look at the top of the page for the search bar. This is where you can quickly find the product you want instead of browsing through multiple categories. Type the name of the item you're looking for into the search bar, then review the results that appear. Try to use clear and specific keywords so it's easier to find the exact product you want. Once you find the item you want to buy, click on the product listing to open its full product page. On this page, take a moment to review the available options carefully. If the product comes in different colors, sizes, or variations, select the one that matches what you want. You should also choose the quantity you'd like to order. Be careful during this step, since selecting the wrong size or variation can affect your order and may create extra work later. When your product options are selected, click the Add to Cart button. This saves the item to your shopping cart so you can review everything before placing the order. After that, open your shopping cart. This is a good place to double check that the item, quantity, and selected options are all correct. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes before checkout. If everything looks right, click Proceed to Checkout. You'll then be prompted to enter your shipping address. Make sure the address is complete and accurate so your package can be delivered correctly.